Les enfants, you guys were right. You guys were right. I made food one time. One time, les enfants. Kounya si achete baay pou fè manger, mette la cuisine, na kite pou mwen. Oh, Jésus. Anyways, les enfants, on this episode of Who Said Haitian Americans Can't Cook Haitian Food, we have du blanc, sauce panois, and legume. And y'all gonna watch me cook it. Okay, so boom. Story time on how... I'm just playing. I don't got no story time. My life is actually quite boring, y'all. In no way, shape, or form am I a chef. Shay is not a chef. Shay is just a Haitian American who is bored and wants to cook Haitian food. In fact, Shay wants to prove her Haitian family wrong. Yeah, this is for all the times when my family would tell me that when I have my husband and kids, c'est seulement manger dehors, manger, and that we will have to go out to eat at restaurants every night because I didn't know how to cook Haitian food. Nous tendez les enfants. Nous tendez. They would tell me that we were going to have to hire a maid and that my husband was going to leave me for the maid because she knew how to cook and clean. Are y'all hearing these stories, dog? Kounyam kon fè gwo manje Haitien. Nah, they can't tell me nothing. And who's to say I wanted to learn how to cook for a man anyway? I can't learn to cook for myself? Got on tente, monsieur. Shay wanted to learn how to cook Haitian food for herself. Not everything is about a man, y'all. Man, I don't know what possessed me to make this big old soja of legging, considering this is only my second time making it. But here we are. If you made it this far, thank you for coming to my TED Talk. If you don't know how to make Haitian food, it's okay, sister. It's okay, my brother. There is no time frame on learning how to cook. You choose when you want to learn how to cook. Ain't nobody rushing you. Go keep it going, you. Anyways, till next time.